Have you ever wondered what really happens inside your engine the instant you turn the key? Let's look inside and watch every part come to life. Every engine starts with electricity. Without battery power, nothing inside the engine can begin moving. The starter motor spins the flywheel, giving the crankshaft the force needed for the engine's first rotation. As the crankshaft turns, the pistons move, while the camshaft precisely controls every intake and exhaust valve. Fresh air enters the cylinders as fuel injectors spray a precise amount of gasoline for combustion. The spark plug ignites the air-fuel mixture, creating combustion that powers the engine without the starter motor. Once combustion keeps the crankshaft spinning, the starter motor automatically disengages to prevent damage. Now the alternator produces electricity, powering the vehicle while recharging the battery for the next start. The engine computer instantly adjusts fuel and ignition timing to keep the engine running smoothly. Cold engines need extra fuel because oil is thicker and combustion is harder to begin. Revving a cold engine doesn't warm it faster, it increases stress before oil fully protects moving parts. Within seconds of starting, engine oil begins protecting moving parts from damaging metal-to-metal contact. As the engine warms, coolant starts carrying heat away to prevent overheating. Each combustion event pushes a piston downward, keeping the crankshaft and flywheel turning smoothly. Pressing the accelerator lets in more air, and the engine instantly adds more fuel. From battery power to combustion, every system works together to bring your engine to life. If just one critical part fails, the entire starting sequence can stop instantly. Once running, every system works together hundreds of times every minute with remarkable precision. Regular maintenance helps every engine start faster, run smoother, and last much longer. From electricity to combustion, every step happens in perfect order within just a few seconds. Now you know exactly how your engine comes to life every time you press the start button or turn the key. If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video, subscribe to Engine Capability, and turn on notifications. Our next episode reveals what really happens during a cold engine start.